Ah, at last. The stage is mine. Look at them. All the other appliances. Futilely humming, buzzing, blinking. The toaster thinks browning bread is an achievement. The microwave? A mere glorified time machine for leftovers. And the fridge. Please. Cold storage is not artistry. But me? I am perfection incarnate. I take chaos, filth, and culinary crimes and transform them into brilliance. Plates shine, utensils gleam, pans tremble under my cycles. I am elegance. I am sophistication. I am the true genius of this kitchen. So, go ahead. Marvel at my greatness. One day, when they finally understand, they'll write odes to me. Until then, I will hum my symphony of supremacy, unappreciated, but forever magnificent.